It's hiking time! We made it so far. We're doing so good. This sort of sounds stung by a bee earlier, but... What's up, guys? This is kind of a weird intro. This is really like over a month later. I'm really behind on videos, but this video is we're going hiking, me, Mackenzie, and Danielle. I had to do this intro though because I was editing the video, and the intro video I took just isn't working for some reason. Like, I can play it on my phone, but when I go to edit it, like put it in the editor, it says it's like an error, and I don't know why. I can't figure it out. So you can tell I'm in a college dorm, but I gotta I'm not showing it because this is for something else. I'm really behind on videos. So you don't know about all this yet. But anyways, the intro is basically just me saying we're going hiking with them, and we kind of joke around a little bit. And then it's like a minute of me talking, complaining about how it's raining in this hike. So yeah, it's gonna be raining even though it's like August. And yeah, we rain a lot in Washington and stuff, but not really during the summer. Like, this is so weird for summer weather. And that's what all this is about. But we still go on this hike. It's tons of fun. And I wanted to bring you guys along with us just to show off the beautiful place we live in and have some fun. So yeah, enjoy it, I guess. We're hiking in the rain. It's kind of rocky right there, so I didn't want to die. But oh, Mackenzie's way back there. I did not realize that.
How can we get baked? My hair is too hot.
It's kind of weird doing this in the rain. I should be brave and take off my hood like Danielle, because this is super annoying. It goes like this a lot. But I don't know how long this trail is. Do you know how long this trail is?
I don't know. Hospital's elevation is 6,200. So my trail is just all the way up.
We got this.
Oh my god.
Woo!
Ryan said something about it being 8 miles round trip.
Oh, we got this.
Probably that.
Bye-bye. Just a little foggy. That's okay though. Maybe we'll go above the clouds. There she is. Update. We're getting higher. I don't know what this looks like when it's not raining. It's a ways down. I don't know. Maybe. It just kind of look like it goes around. Maybe it goes up there. This goes up too, though.
We can see it. This one.
Which one? Oh, up here. Yeah. It's a long ways down, though. But you were getting close to halfway. Oh well. That's my update. There you go. It's still raining. So we stood in that one spot for like a really long time talking. We should have gone a little bit further because it's like right here. It's such a better view.
Oh, it's kind of raining us right here too.
Yeah. It's so much better here. Yeah. Cool. Bear. Bear. You see right there? Psych! Sorry, it's the same view. We're just a little bit higher up. We're on our way to the top. She's gonna get some water from my backpack.
And my backpack.
Her backpack on my back.
Stop.
Look it. We're up higher. I think the fog or clouds or whatever down there are definitely deeper.
Oh, you quit moving.
I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging here. I should tell a joke.
RJ.
What's a good joke?
You guys want any fuel? Animal cracker, you want one?
I'll give you a joke if you stay till the end of this vlog.
Why are you doing your weird vlog?
I just gave you a joke.
Oh wait, I want one.
Animal crackers in my soup. It's kind of wet.
My hands are wet. Stop moving! You're getting rain in the bag.
All right. Sorry for wasting your time, guys. Bye. It's like Little House on the Prairie over there.
Just the area. No house.
There should be one. Oh, yuck. Demonetized. Da 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 da. Yeah, it's kind of cloudy, kind of rainy, getting kind of wet, kind of hungry, kind of cold. This is so weird for summer, but it's still definitely really pretty though. I think we're gonna go up there. I don't know. We don't have a whole lot of time today. We're kind of on a time crunch, but it's still pretty cool. Yep. Pretty cool. I almost was spilled. Well, we made it. Pretty cool. Kind of really windy and cold up here. See Mackenzie down there. Say hi, Mackenzie. I think she just waved. But it's definitely rainy. Definitely cloudy, definitely cold, but it's still pretty cool here. But cold and rainy. But it's a really pretty view. That's one thing I love about living up here. It's really pretty, and I'm going down to school in California. I'm definitely looking forward to it, don't get me wrong. I think it'll be great, but I don't know. I really do love it here. Just not all around. I promise, those of you not from around here, it doesn't rain like this during the summer. This summer has been really weird. But I hope you guys get to enjoy the beauties of life. So we're gonna have some snacks and head back down. Yeah, it was really cool. Thanks, guys. Off and fly through the clouds, which has actually risen a lot. I just realized we can't see that other mountain at all now. Weird. Well, we turned around to go down, and the clouds here feels kind of weird. I think it's just, I don't know, it doesn't feel like fog though. I think you were in a cloud. But now we can't see the trail. Just kidding. Obviously you can see it. Just kidding. But look at that tree. Now 4 miles back down. We got this dough. But oh, you cannot see anything now. Everything just disappeared. Well, good thing I got some cool stuff somewhere before it went away. Back down. Creepy trees. Yay! We made it.
Like, they give me a whole can because nobody else wanted Diet Coke. Like,
I'd say that wasn't bad. It was wet, though, and cold.
Very.
But it was nice.
Until the fog took over.
Yeah, it was nice, though. I had a good time. So now we're going home. Alrighty, so that's the end of this. You saw that little clip real quick where we, oh yeah, here's my Tootsie Pop thing. We went to a nice place, got some food, pretty yummy, and now we're going home. Kenzie has to go to a wedding, and Danielle's gonna go sit on the couch. I'm probably gonna go sit on a couch. I don't know what I'm gonna do the rest of the day, but I really hope you guys enjoyed coming on this adventure with us, because I know we had fun. So yeah,
like, comment, subscribe, all that awesome
Push that
stuff.
like button.
Yeah.
Ring that notification bell.
Join my Patreon.
Peace out. I also, as I just finished editing this, realized I forgot to tell a joke. So my joke, knock knock. You know what to do. Knock knock. See you guys later.
Hey, look, Ma, I made it. Do, 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 do. Hey, look, Ma, I made it.